Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Friends Alls. Today we have part 2 Q card related to the speaking module of the ALS exam. Okay, today we have a cue card and we'll be going through the vocabulary related to this cue card, topic related vocabulary, collocations, and other phrases, other vocabulary that you can use in order to score a very good band score in your speaking exam. Okay, here we have the question in front of you. Describe a situation when people congratulated you. So you have to talk about a time when people congratulated you. Okay, first of all, let us talk about the speaking exam. In the speaking exam, for the part 2, that is a cue card, you are given 1 minute to prepare, and it is not common that students find it difficult to concentrate. They are unable to understand what they need to do in that 1 minute, and I suggest a technique that works well and that a lot of my students has used that technique and have scored very good band score. Okay, it is a simple technique that you need not to consider it as a single question. Like, after the cue card you are given 3 to 4 bullet points. Like in this case, the first one is when was it, the second one is what you did, how they congratulated you, and explain how you felt about it. So you need to consider them as four different questions, and in the exam you are given a sheet of paper on which question is written, and another blank sheet of paper for rough work and a pencil. You need to utilize that blank sheet to answer these 3 to 4 questions with a single word, or let us say 2 to 3 simple words. Because as per my experience, I have noticed that when students go for speaking, even in their classroom speaking, or on Saturdays when we hold mock test, after planning, after deciding in the 1 minute that on what topic, about which person they are going to talk, they find it easy to use the vocabulary, elaborate their answers, support their points, and it also helps them to be confident, to remain confident, and answer part 3 of the speaking module very well, and this ultimately results in a very good band score in the ALS exam. Okay, like, let us apply that technique now. Here is a question again. Describe a situation when people congratulated you. So the first one is when was it? So let us say it was last year. Okay, you need to just write down on the rough piece of paper last year, and comma, suppose your result was declared, so you can write that result declared scored first position in the exam. So this sums up the first part. Next we have what you did. Okay, you may write down that you had a party, you took the blessing of your parents, and also you bowed your head before the Almighty, and so on. Okay, and how they congratulated you. So we'll be discussing the vocabulary further. So this is the technique I would highly suggest you to apply, and it comes with practice. So you can contact me if you want to book speaking sessions with me. Okay, let us continue. Let us start without wasting any time. So the first we have is felicitated. So here the word, the synonym for congratulated is felicitated. For example, we can take as an example sentence. A lot of my friends felicitated me on my last birthday. Next, we have I remember vividly that. Generally, you need to recall a sentence from the past, so we can use this sentence, you need to learn it by heart. So let us make a sentence. I remember vividly that it was last year when my 12th class result was declared. So it happened last year. It happened last year simply means that it took place last year. Was declared, we have already used that. It was the time when my result of 12th class was declared. Very important, it is the successful usage of the passive voice, and obviously with the variation in the grammatical structures, you will get a very good band score. Next we have stood first. So this is from the word stand. Stand first, that is scored the first position. So we can make a sentence. I was proud as I stood first in my class. Next, joy and happiness. Very important. This is a collocation, and I highly suggest that collocation are those words that are used together. And here we'll be using this collocation, and if you could learn it by heart and you could apply in your exam, so you can score a very good band score. A moment of joy and happiness. Let us make a sentence. So it was a great event. I was celebrating my birthday and it was a moment of joy and happiness. Next we have right after the. So right after is immediately. So instead of using immediately, we use right after. So let us make a sentence. Right after the declaration of my 12th class result, I bowed my head before the Almighty. So declaration of, that is to declare. Okay, let us make another sentence using declaration of. And obviously these are prepositional phrases. Suppose you use these properly with the preposition, you can get a very good band score. So here let us make a sentence of declaration of. The declaration of the result meant that it was a moment of joy and happiness for many students. Next we have my grand success. So my grand success means it was a big success. Okay, success means simply you succeed, that is you are able to qualify, you are able to pass an exam, so we say that you have succeeded. So my grand success, obviously success is a noun here and grand is an adjective, and such kind of words give you a very good band score. When you elaborate a noun, you stress upon it, you explain it by using an adjective, and further we are using my. So my grand success, let us make a sentence. It was my first grand success and the celebration was grand. Next is take the blessings of. Okay, take the blessing. Blessing are the good wishes that your elders, your friends, and other people pass on to you. So let us make a sentence. Take the blessings of. I always take the blessings of my procreators before going for an exam. So here procreators are the parents. Very important, my dwelling place. So the place where you live is your dwelling place. So we had a huge party at my dwelling place. Next, very important, you need to understand the difference between these two if you want to form a very good sentence. So there are two things. Suppose you know that a party is a celebration, and whenever a person gives a party, so it is through a party. Through a party. It can be a surprise party, so it is through a surprise party. Let us take a sentence. He is known for throwing a surprise party, usually on weekends, to his friends. Next is crasher party. Crasher party means you attend the party, you enjoy in the party, you have meals, you have different beverages, but you don't pay for it because you are not organizing it. Instead, you are attending the party, so we say crash a party. So, I love to crash a party as it is a moment of joy and happiness and demands very less effort on my part. Just like a dream come true. Very important, like we want to say that I always wanted this to happen. So we say it was just like a dream come true. So we can make a sentence excelling in academics and scoring first position in my 12th class was just like a dream come true for me. So again, my childhood dream is quite the same thing. It was my childhood dream to become an English teacher, to excel in academics. So excel is from word excellent. So excel is to be a master, to perform, to give an outstanding performance. So academics is your studies, and let us make a sentence. I always wanted to excel in academics and earn name and fame. Next, we have a structure like this. Although this doesn't form exactly the part of the vocabulary, but I am giving you because you can develop a habit to at least form one sentence in your speaking using not only but also. Let us take a sentence so that you can understand it well. So it was not only a moment of joy and happiness, but also a moment of pride for my family. Next, we have reap fruitful results. So, fruitful results is the desired outcome, that what you want, what you desire for. So reap is to harvest. So reap fruitful results is to get the desired outcome. You can also use the desired outcome. So let us make a sentence. My result of 12th class reaped fruitful results as I was paid, as my hard work was paid off. Next, we have progenitors, very important in the writing as well as. I would like to suggest that instead of parents, I mean to say that to replace parents, you have a synonym progenitors. So, progenitors always think for the benefit of their child. Next, we have to pass with flying colors. This is an idiom. So, in ALS speaking, you get a very good band score in the lexical resources. That is the vocabulary whenever you use an idiom or let us say slang. So, to pass with flying colors is to get a grand success. So, I was fortunate to pass with flying colors, and my hard work paid off really very well. A huge celebration is like, let us say, a big party. So a huge celebration was organized in order to honor him on his grand success. To honor, again, to what we can say, to honor, we have already made a sentence. Eventually became. So eventually became is finally became. So let us make a sentence. It eventually became a tradition after the entire society started following and celebrating the friendship festival. The headline of the local newspaper, very important. So it soon became the headline of the local newspaper that a person from a middle class family cleared the IAS exam. Feel blessed. So it is like you feel that God has blessed you, God has bought, God has helped you. So let us see the sentence. I felt blessed when I was able to not only score a very good marks in my board exams but also score a top position in the entire district. To be over the moon. Very important. It is an idiom. It means to be very happy. And I always suggest my students, like, there is generally a question that how you felt, and in most of the situations it is that you feel really happy, you were elated, so you were over the moon. Let us make a sentence. I felt myself over the moon when my family supported me well. The most memorable day of my life. It means that it was the special a special day of your life. So let us make a sentence. My last birthday was a grand celebration and it was the most memorable day of my life. All in all is also an idiom, and I highly recommend this to conclude your cue card. So, like in this question, we can form a sentence. All in all, it was the time when a lot of people congratulated me. So congratulate immensely. Very important. That is, a lot of people give you warm wishes. So it is to congratulate immensely. So I was congratulated immensely by my kith and kin. Look forward to. So, in generally, it is said that if you want to score a very good band score, you need to include the future sentence in your part 2 cue card. So, it is possible, like using this sentence, look forward to, that is to expect. So, let us form a sentence. I look forward to another occasion where I can throw a grand party. To continue the efforts, that is to continue with making changes, working hard and achieving very good results. So let us form a sentence. It is our duty to continue the efforts irrespective of the result that we get. Next is to earn name and fame. To earn name and fame is to, like, you carve a niche. There is another word. I am also teaching that as well. To carve a niche. It is niche, Niche. To earn name and fame. So Ram earned name and fame by fighting for his country at the border. To serve society in the best possible way. Very good, you need to learn it by heart. To serve society is to contribute positively to the society in the best possible way, in a manner that is the most possible, that is the most beneficial for the society. So let us make a sentence here. Each and every citizen need to try his level best to serve society in the best possible way. Okay, this was the vocabulary. Okay, now we are going to start with the cue card model answer to the latest cue card of the part 2 cue card of the speaking module of the ALS exam. So here we have question in front of you. Describe a time when people congratulated you. So we have bullet points. When was it? What you did? How they congratulated you? Explain how you felt about it. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्यू कार्ड है जिसमें हमने बोलना है कि कोई ऐसा मौका जब लोगों ने आपको बधाइयाँ दी, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ दी, तो वो कब था, तो आपने क्या किया, तो उन्होंने कैसे आपको बेस्ट विशेस पास की और आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ। ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं हम क्यू कार्ड के मॉडल आंसर से। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू सर्टेन टिप्स रिलेटेड टू आंसरिंग दिस। ओके, मैं सबसे पहले बोलना चाहूँगा कि आप एक डिफरेंट वोकैबुलरी शीट लगा लीजिए। बेटर होगा कि आप एक नोटबुक लगा लीजिए अलग से वोकैबुलरी राइटिंग के लिए और आपके स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल के लिए, और आप इसको रोज़ाना रिवाइज करें, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्कोर है। जब भी आप क्वेश्चन को रीफ्रेश करके आते हैं, दैट इज़ आप उसको सिनोनिम वगैरह यूज़ करके जो सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, अगर राइटिंग मॉड्यूल की बात करें तो उस केस में आपका बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हो सकता है, और वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आपके पास वोकैबुलरी होगी। और वोकैबुलरी के लिए आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो इंग्लिश के पॉडकास्ट हैं वो देखने चाहिए, या फिर मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि इस चैनल की वीडियोस काफ़ी हद तक आपके लिए सफिशेंट हैं अगर आप इसको सिंसियरली फॉलो करेंगे तो। ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्वेश्चन को पहले रीफ्रेश करेंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम व्हेन माय फ्रेंड्स फेलिसिटेटेड मी। सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड के लिए हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया, सिनोनिम यूज कर दिया फेलिसिटेटेड। आई रिमेंबर विविडली दैट इट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर व्हेन माय 12th ग्रेड रिजल्ट वाज डिक्लेयर्ड। तो फर्स्ट लाइन को पहले ले लेंगे। टुडे, आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ उस समय के बारे में जब मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरे को बधाइयाँ दी। सेकेंड लाइन, आई रिमेंबर विविडली, मेरे को पक्का बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से याद है, दैट इट हैपेंड, कि ये हुआ था लास्ट ईयर जब मेरा 12th क्लास का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ था। तो वॉज के साथ डिक्लेयर लगा रहे हैं, तो हमने यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट नहीं मेंशन किया कि किसने रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया था, तो ये आपका पैसिव वॉइस बन गया। इसके लिए आपको बहुत ही बढ़िया नंबर मिल सकते हैं अगर आप इसको अच्छी तरह से फॉलो करें। आई स्टूड फर्स्ट इन द एंटायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सो इट वॉज अ मोमेंट ऑफ जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस। मैं पूरे ज़िले में पहले नंबर पे आया, तो ये एक खुशी का मौका तो बनता ही था। नेक्स्ट ले लेंगे, राइट आफ्टर द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ माई ग्रैंड सक्सेस। तो राइट आफ्टर मतलब बिल्कुल बाद, इमीडिएटली की जगह यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट बहुत ही बढ़िया है, आपका कनेक्टर के फॉर्म में नेचुरल कनेक्टर है। तो जैसे ही मेरा रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ और मेरे को पता लगा कि मेरे को बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी मिली है, आई टुक द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स एंड बोर्ड माई हेड बिफोर द ऑलमाइटी। मैंने आशीर्वाद लिया अपने माँ बाप का और भगवान के आगे माथा टेका। All of my friends came to my dwelling place and threw a surprise party. तो मेरे सारे ही दोस्त, ड्वेलिंग प्लेस हम बोलते हैं जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं। तो स्पीकिंग में इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज के काफ़ी सारे नंबर हैं, तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करता रहता हूँ ईडियम्स और कुछ ऐसे फ्रेजेस। तो ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स केम टू माई ड्वेलिंग प्लेस, तो काफ़ी सारे ही मेरे दोस्त मेरे घर पे आए, एंड थ्रू अ सरप्राइज पार्टी, और उन्होंने एक पार्टी दी। सरप्राइज इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे को उम्मीद ही नहीं थी, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि वो आ रहे हैं। आगे हम लेंगे, इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर मी एज इट वॉज माई चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम टू एक्सेल इन एकेडमिक्स। तो इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर मी, इसको एज इट इज़ आप बाय हार्ट कर लीजिए कि ये तो एक जैसे मेरा सपना ही सच हो गया था, क्योंकि एज हम बिकॉज के जैसे यूज़ करते हैं। इट वॉज माई चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम टू एक्सेल इन एकेडमिक्स, क्योंकि बचपन से ही मेरा सपना था कि मैं बहुत, एक्सेल होता है एक्सीलेंट वर्ड से, एकेडमिक होता है पढ़ाई में, तो पढ़ाई में बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस दूँ, ये मेरा बचपन से सपना था। इट वॉज नॉट ओनली माई हार्ड वर्क दैट रीप्ड फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स। अभी मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि कम से कम एक सेंटेंस तो आप नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो स्ट्रक्चर का बना के ही आएँ। सपोज आप बाकी सारे सेंटेंस सिंपल सेंटेंस यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट इस केस में अगर आप एक तो बढ़िया सेंटेंस बना के आएंगे तो आप एक अच्छा बैंड स्कोर की उम्मीद कर सकते हैं। तो ये सिर्फ मेरे हार्डवर्क का ही नतीजा नहीं था। रीप फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स, तो रीप होता है हार्वेस्ट करना, जो हम जैसे फसल काटते हैं तो रीप करना होता है। फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स मतलब जो मैं चाहता था, जो मैं आउटकम चाहता था, जो रिजल्ट चाहता था। बट ऑल्सो द रिजल्ट ऑफ माई प्रोजेनिटर्स, बट ऑल्सो मतलब और ये भी था कि रिजल्ट, रिजल्ट माने नतीजा किसका, प्रोजेनिटर्स हम बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स को, एंड टीचर्स एफर्ट दैट हेल्प्ड मी पास विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स, जिसने मदद की कि मैं बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर हासिल कर सका। तो इस केस में हम पास विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स आपका ईडियम है, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी ही बन जाएगी कि आप एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही बढ़िया स्कोर आपने किया। We had a huge celebration day, and the day after my school principal honored me. तो वहाँ उस दिन हमने बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेट किया, और द डे आफ्टर मतलब कि नेक्स्ट डे मेरे प्रिंसिपल, जो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल ने, उन्होंने भी मेरे को सम्मानित किया, विच इवेंचुअली बिकेम द हेडलाइन ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर, जो कि न्यूज़पेपर में आ गई। न्यूज़पेपर में न्यूज़ छप गई कि इस बच्चे ने फर्स्ट पोजीशन हासिल की है। आई फील ब्लेस्ड एंड बिलीव मी आई वॉज ओवर द मून। मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि भगवान ने मेरे को इस खुशी से नवाजा है। एंड बिलीव मी, मेरा यकीन कीजिए, आई वॉज ओवर द मून। ओवर द मून, टू बी ओवर द मून ईडियम होता है, इसका मीनिंग होता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश होना, टू बी वेरी हैप्पी। इट वॉज द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल डे ऑफ माई लाइफ, तो मेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे यादगार ये दिन था। आगे लेंगे फाइनल लाइन। तो मैंने आगे भी बात की है अपने पहले वीडियोस में कि हम जब भी आपके क्यू कार्ड को कंक्लूड करने वाले हों तो ऑल इन ऑल एक बढ़िया तरीका है। ऑल इन ऑल, इट वॉज अ सिचुएशन व्हेन पीपल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड मी इमेंसली। तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट इमेंसली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आपका यहाँ पे कॉलोकेशन बनेगा, या फिर हम इसको नाउन और एडजेक्टिव का केस भी ले सकते हैं। And I am looking forward to continuing my effort to earn name and fame and serve society in the best possible way. इसको अच्छी तरह से समझ लेंगे। All in all, it was a situation, ये वो सिचुएशन थी जब लोगों ने मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सारी बधाइयाँ दी। एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, और मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ कि फ्यूचर में भी कि मैं अपनी मेहनत जारी रखूँगा ताकि मैं नेम एंड फेम कमा सकूँ और सोसाइटी को बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में कंट्रीब्यूट या फिर सर्व कर सकूं। ओके, दिस वाज द मॉडल आंसर टू द लेटेस्ट क्यू कार्ड ऑफ द आल्स स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर फ्रेंड्स आल्स।